Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good. I was thinking about our health today. Do you like to talk about health?
Yes, I do. Health is very important. I like to talk about exercise, food, and sleep.
Great. I have many simple questions about health. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course, Anna. I am happy to answer your questions.
Ben, do you exercise every day?
Yes, I try to exercise every day. I like to walk and sometimes run in the park.
That is good. How long do you walk?
I usually walk for about 30 minutes in the morning. Sometimes I run for 15 minutes if I feel energetic.
I also like to walk in the park. Walking is good for the body and the mind.
Yes, walking helps me feel fresh and calm. I also do some stretching exercises at home.
That sounds healthy. Do you go to a gym sometimes?
I go to the gym twice a week. I use the treadmill and lift light weights. It is simple and fun.
I like the idea of a simple workout. I sometimes do yoga at home. It helps me relax and stay flexible.
Yoga is very good for stress. I want to try yoga one day because I hear it is very calming.
Maybe we can try a yoga class together sometime.
That is a great idea, Anna. I would love to try a class with you.
Ben, what do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually have toast with butter and jam and a cup of tea. Sometimes I eat fruit like an apple or a banana.
That is simple and healthy. I like to have oatmeal with milk and honey, and a glass of orange juice.
Oatmeal sounds very good. I know it gives you energy for the day.
Yes, it does. What do you eat for lunch?
For lunch, I usually have a salad with vegetables and some chicken. I try to eat many vegetables.
I also eat vegetables. I like carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes in my salad. I add a little olive oil and lemon juice.
That is very fresh. Do you eat fast food sometimes?
Not very often. I try to avoid fast food because it is not very healthy. I cook at home most days.
I agree. I cook at home too. I like to make simple meals like soup, rice, and vegetables.
Sometimes I make pasta with tomato sauce and a little cheese. It is easy and tasty.
That sounds delicious. Eating healthy food makes me feel good and strong.
Yes, healthy food is very important for our body and mind. Ben, how many hours do you sleep every night?
I try to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours each night. Sleep is very important for my health.
I agree. I usually sleep for 8 hours. I go to bed early and wake up early.
Sleeping well helps me to feel rested. I feel better when I sleep enough.
Yes, a good sleep helps you to exercise and work better during the day.
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, I do. I like to read a book for a few minutes before I sleep. I also listen to soft music.
I sometimes drink a warm cup of milk before bed. It helps me relax.
That is a good idea. We must take care of our sleep if we want to be healthy.
Absolutely. Sleep is one of the best ways to keep our bodies strong.
Ben, do you visit the doctor regularly?
Yes, I visit my doctor once a year for a checkup. It is important to know that you are healthy.
I do the same. I also get my teeth checked every 6 months.
Good dental care is very important. I brush my teeth twice a day and floss every night.
I always try to brush my teeth well. I also use mouthwash sometimes.
Do you take any vitamins or supplements?
Yes, I take a vitamin tablet every day. It helps me feel more energetic.
I sometimes take vitamin C when I feel a little cold. It helps me get better faster.
That is a good habit. Preventive care is very important for long-term health.
Yes, I believe it is better to stay healthy than to be sick later.
Ben, do you feel stressed sometimes?
Yes, I do feel stressed, especially when I have many tasks at work. But I try to manage my stress.
How do you manage your stress?
I usually go for a walk, listen to music, or talk with my friends. These things help me relax.
I like to read or do some simple breathing exercises when I feel stressed.
Breathing exercises are very good. They help you to calm your mind.
I also sometimes write in my journal. Writing helps me think clearly.
That is a good idea. I may try writing my thoughts down next time I feel stressed.
Taking a few minutes for yourself is very important for mental health.
Yes, a calm mind is as important as a healthy body.
Ben, do you have any other healthy habits?
I try to drink at least 2 liters of water every day. Water is very important for the body.
I agree. Drinking water helps my skin and keeps me alert.
I also try to avoid too much sugar and salt. I read the labels on food to know what is inside.
That is smart. I try to choose fresh food and avoid packaged snacks.
Sometimes I make a list of healthy foods that I like. It helps me when I go shopping.
I do that too. I buy fruits, vegetables, and whole grain bread. These foods give me energy.
I think planning healthy meals is a good habit for a long life.
Yes, planning helps me to stay on track with my health goals. Ben, do you spend time outdoors every day?
Yes, I try to spend at least 30 minutes outside. I like to walk in the park and feel the fresh air.
That is very good. Being outdoors makes me feel happy and relaxed.
I also like to ride my bicycle in the park. It is fun and good exercise.
Cycling is a great activity. I sometimes go jogging with my friend on weekends.
We can go jogging together one day if you like.
That is a good idea. I enjoy exercising with a friend because it makes me more motivated.
Exercising together also makes it more enjoyable and helps us to talk about our day.
Ben, do you think that a positive mindset helps your health?
Yes, I believe that thinking positive thoughts helps me feel better. I try to smile and be thankful every day.
I agree. When I wake up, I say a few kind words to myself. It gives me a good start.
Positive thinking helps me deal with stress and challenges at work.
I think it is important to be kind to yourself. A positive mind helps the body to heal.
Yes, I also try to thank my family and friends for their support. It makes me feel happy.
Gratitude is very important. It helps us to appreciate the small things in life.
I always feel better when I think about the good things that happen every day.
Ben, how about we plan a healthy day together this weekend?
That is a great idea, Anna. What do you want to do?
We can start with a morning walk in the park. Then we can have a healthy breakfast at a small cafe.
I like that plan. After breakfast, we can go to the gym for a light workout, or maybe do a yoga class.
Yes, and after that, we can have a picnic in the park with fresh fruits, salads, and water.
That sounds perfect. A healthy day will make us feel refreshed and happy.
I will prepare some healthy snacks at home, and we can share them during our picnic.
I am looking forward to it. It will be a fun way to take care of our health together.
Ben, do you have any tips for staying healthy?
One tip I have is to always plan your meals. This helps me avoid unhealthy snacks.
That is good advice. I also try to sleep early and avoid screen time before bed.
I like your idea. Reducing screen time helps me sleep better and keeps my mind calm.
Another tip is to drink water often and to keep a water bottle with you.
Yes, staying hydrated is very important. I sometimes set an alarm on my phone to drink water.
I also like to take short breaks during work to stand up and stretch. It keeps my body active.
These are all very useful tips. I will try to add more healthy habits to my daily routine.
Ben, what health goals do you have for the future?
I want to lose a little weight and build more muscle. I also want to learn more about healthy cooking.
Those are good goals. I want to run a 5K race next year and eat more fresh food.
Running a 5K is a good challenge. I think we can train together.
Yes, we can set a plan and help each other. It is always easier when you have a friend.
I also want to reduce my stress. I plan to meditate more and take quiet walks.
Meditation is a good way to calm the mind. I might join a meditation group at the community center.
That sounds great. When we achieve our health goals, we can celebrate with a healthy meal or a fun day outdoors.
I look forward to that. Working on our health is a journey, and it is good to have support. Ben, I believe that taking care of our health makes our lives much better.
I agree, Anna. When I take care of my body and mind, I feel happy and strong.
Health is the most important thing. If we are healthy, we can work, play, and love more.
Yes, a healthy body helps us do all the things we enjoy in life.
I feel grateful for the simple ways I can improve my health every day.
I feel the same. Even small changes, like walking more or eating a good breakfast, make a big difference.
It is good to know that we can always learn and improve our habits.
Absolutely. I am happy that we can talk about health and share our ideas.
Ben, our conversation today made me think about how important it is to live a healthy life.
I agree, Anna. Talking about health reminds me to take care of myself and to enjoy every day.
I will try to follow our discussion and add more healthy habits to my routine.
And I will do the same. It is nice to have a friend who cares about health as much as I do.
I hope we continue to share our progress and tips. It can help us both stay motivated.
Yes, I look forward to more conversations like this. It makes me feel positive and strong.
Thank you, Ben, for talking about health with me today. I feel inspired and ready to take care of myself better.
Thank you, Anna. I always enjoy our talks. Let's keep supporting each other on our health journeys.
I must go now, but I am very happy we talked about health today. I feel more motivated to exercise, eat well, and rest properly.
I am glad too, Anna. I enjoyed our conversation. I will try to use your tips and work on my health every day.
Maybe next time we can plan our healthy day at the park and the gym, and then have a picnic together.
That is a great idea. I will call you on Saturday to plan our day.
Perfect. Thank you again, Ben. Have a great day and take care of yourself.
Thank you, Anna. You too. Stay healthy and happy. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ben.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.